Have you ever cleaned out your mom's purse? It's like a magical place filled with all sorts of interesting stuff. In this episode, we are sharing some stories about the crazy things that have been found in mom's purse. Our first story is from a Reddit user. I was cleaning out my mom's purse, and I found an old library book from 1984 that she had checked out but never returned. She would say things like, "I have enough stuff in here to rob a bank, or I could feed a family of 4 with the snacks I have in here." Anyways, after she passed, my sister and I were going through her stuff, and we decided to empty out her purse. We found a hairbrush receipts from 2016 to expired credit cards, a Metro card that had $7, on it 3/4, a receipt for a lottery ticket that had clearly been in there for years, a piece of pizza string, a pen, a keychain, and about 20 crumpled up tissues. We both burst out laughing, and my sister put it all in a Ziploc bag and labeled it Mom's purse. We keep it on a shelf in our living room, and every time we see it, we laugh because it is just such a mom thing. I told her I was going to go return it for her, and she said, "Oh no, don't bother. We can just renew it." So we went to the library, and they said they could end renew it because it was over 36 years overdue. So I ended up having to pay the fine, which was only $2.50, by the way. But my mom was acting so weird. She kept saying, "I'm glad they caught me. I'm so glad they caught me." And I was sitting there thinking, did she do this on purpose? Like, does she have some sort of death wish where she wants the world to know she stole a book in 1984? Now, if you're wondering, the book was Where the Red Fern Grows, a classic children's novel. That's sweet. That's actually a really good book. I read it in 3rd grade. Well, after my mom paid the fine, she told me she had taken the book out when she was 14 years old, and she just completely forgot about it. She said she didn't do it on purpose, and she was very relieved that she finally got caught. I thought she was joking at first, but then I saw the relief on her face, and I realized she wasn't. Our next story is from another Reddit user. When I was a kid, my mom worked as a waitress at a country club. One day she came home with a purse that she said she found in the Lost and Found. It was a brand new Coach purse. She turned it inside out, and there was nothing in it. So she started using it. Years later, when I was going through her stuff after she died, I found that purse. I turned it inside out and found a small pile of cash and a key. The key had a tag on it that said maintenance room. I looked around online and found out that the maintenance room key also opened the safe in the manager's office. My curiosity got the better of me, and I went to the old country club to see if I could still use the key. I walked into the clubhouse and asked if anyone was the manager from about 20 years ago. One of the waitresses knew who it was and told me that he had retired, but gave me his address. I went to his house and rang the doorbell. An older gentleman answered, and I explained my situation. He told me to come in, and we started chatting. He had no idea that I was there because of the purse or the key. He even invited me to come back any time and use his pool table. After I left, I felt like I had just dodged a bullet. I was certain that my mom had stolen that purse and the money, and the fact that she had a key to the manager. This office meant that she'd probably cleaned that place out. Imagine if she was still alive and I had gotten her arrested for a crime she'd committed 20 years prior. Yeah, definitely dodge a bullet there. Our next story is from another Reddit user. My mom passed away last year, and before that she would always joke about how much stuff she had in her purse.